Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You want immediate momentum. Put a clean 810 stainless pan on medium and pour 1-2 teaspoons oil or 1 tablespoon butter. Heat until a single drop of water dances and sizzles but doesn't violently pop. That indicates 325-350 degrees. Once the fat shimmers, lower heat slightly and crack room temperature eggs into a small bowl to avoid shells. You're doing this because proper surface temperature prevents sticking and allows proteins to set gently for a tender edge. You'll now control how the eggs finish. Slide each egg into the pan from the bowl, spacing 1 to 2 inches apart so they cook evenly. Immediately reduce to medium-low. This prevents tough, rubbery whites. If you want over-easy, cook until whites set, then flip carefully after edges release. For sunny side, cover for 30 to 60 seconds so steam tops the yolk. Make sure to tilt the pan and spoon hot oil or butter over the whites to speed gentle cooking without overheating the yolk. You're finishing. Lift eggs when whites are fully opaque and the yolk feels how you like it. Transfer to a warm plate and rest 30 to 60 seconds so carryover heat evens texture. Season at the end to avoid drawing moisture. For cleanup or if eggs stick, return pan to medium, add a tablespoon of water or a teaspoon of vinegar to loosen stuck bits, let steam lift them, then scrape with a wooden spatula. That quick deglaze is your key troubleshooting move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.